Stitch number 33 on the Pfaff Ambition 620 is a Bartack stitch. It is built in, ready to stitch. All you have to do is step on the foot control or push the start stop button and it will sew it and be done. You usually should stabilize your fabric if you're working on something a little bit delicate, but really once you start sewing, it was just going to sew forward, sew back, and then zigzag over those railroad tracks. It's going to lock with a couple of stitches at the end, and then you can use your scissor button to cut. Now the Bartack is something that I used when I was doing the tassels on the block for our Stitching Cosmos. So we were making these fun little whiffs of yarns, and then under the button we just used the Bartack to quickly tack it down, knowing that our buttons would cover up those stitches, so you don't even see it. And we were just able to quick stitch, 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 put each one down, and then again, buttons came down to be the decorative additive. So Bartacks, whether you need to secure something, something's really heavy and you need to reinforce a corner or area of a project, don't forget that stitch number 33 is built in and ready to stitch.